Well, good afternoon, everybody. Here's the new truck. Come over here. Oops. I'm parked on the bank. Alright, here. There we go. Yeah, the barn cats are checking it out. It even has a working stereo. And it's got the back seat, like a real back seat. 4 doors. I mean, it's pretty well clean. I mean, it's not perfect. But it's well worth the wood chipper. And it gets better gas mileage than the other one does. And I got lucky. It's the same size tires as my other truck, and I have a set of 4 tires to put on it. Looks like the rear tires are pretty good. Front tires, yeah, iffy. I'd use them for spares and put. Oh, that one looks pretty good too. Oh, it's just that one. Yeah. But there's the new truck. I'm tickled to death. Better gas mileage. Have a nice day, everybody.